The Boar Pig is a professional, heavy-duty drive unit. We carry an array of auger bits in many sizes and for all applications. Offered are two model sizes with the option of a 2-inch hex or a 2 9/16 inch round drive shaft. This planetary drive unit produces high torque at low speeds and has reverse for self-cleaning. The self-centering design makes this an easy one-person operation. Also available for compact tractors. With warranty and service long after the sale. Call one of our specialists today. You'll be glad you did.